Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brickstech and Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services, empowering you to get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Now I can look at the custom tools that I have built for this erosion control plan and go in and draw my silt fence, any rock dams, skimmers, all kinds of different tools that I've built over here for measuring those different materials. So let's look at the ECB matting, and I'll just trace over this area here. And this tool, there's matting that needs to go in here because this is a steeper slope to keep the ground from sliding. So I just click on the end of the contours here, maybe work my way around that curve. And I'll come over, let's say, to here and work my way. Sometimes I cut through those corners. And I'm going to come out to here, work my way out again, doing the best I can to cover this area. And double click when I'm done. And it covers that. Now I would come back, select this in that curved area. I can right click, convert to arc, and it fills out that corner a little bit better. So I would clean up these here. And then another tool over on our measurement panel is the cutout. Right underneath our area measurement, I can do a polygon cutout. And that's what I'm going to use to cut out this middle section of my measurement here. So I'm just going to, again, trace through these corners. Double click when I'm done, and it cuts that out of the area measurement that I created for that matting. Again, I would come in here, right click, switch that to an arc, clean up those corners a little bit better. But now we have a measurement for the square footage of matting. And of course, we can apply a slope to that area as well. I put a 12-12 slope into that material because that's the slope of the land there with the contours. And then what we have over on the right side is our legend displaying all of the measurements of all the materials that I've taken off. And one thing that I skipped over here was once we pasted this in, we actually brought in this scale so we can calibrate from that. So if I hit my calibrate up here on my measurement panel, I can pick 2 points of a known dimension and use that bar scale that we brought in to set the scale of our new sheet. So this random distance on the piece of paper is going to equal 80 feet. I hit apply. And then all the measurements that we took are going to apply that new scale. And likewise, our legend will update as well. That's what we have for you today. I wanted to thank Vince for taking the time to help present this month and showcase the brilliant work he's doing in the Bluebeam community. If you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company or yourself, don't hesitate to reach out to the team at Brighter Graphics.